Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and amazing Paneer Kalimirch Tikka. This is quick and easy to make and is so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया रे देखिया चाहउछंती देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. First take 5 to 6 cashew nuts and 3 to 4 almonds and soak in warm water for 30 minutes. After that, peel the skin of the almonds. Blend the nuts to make a paste. Keep it aside. Take 2 tablespoons of milk in a bowl. To that, add 4 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix and form a lump-free mixture. This is an alternative you can use instead of fresh cream. Now in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of hung curd. To that, add spice paste. I have made this spice paste using onion, ginger, garlic, green chili and red chili. Add 3 tablespoons of the prepared spice paste. Then add the prepared nut paste. Add the milk powder mixture, or also you can use fresh cream. Then add salt according to taste. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper will be the most significant flavor in this recipe. Now mix and form a batter. Add 400 grams of paneer. I have cut the paneer in big chunks. Coat well with the batter. Marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Now heat oil on a tawa. Swirl to spread it. And then add the paneer pieces. Roast each side for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Flip the paneer pieces and cook from both sides. Our paneer are perfectly roasted now. Our yummy Paneer Kalimirch Tikka is ready. This is a bit different from the tikka flavors we are used to. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.